Hello and welcome to Bespoke. In today's video we're going to be reviewing the Colibri Quasar desktop cutter. Hello, my name is Paul Anthony.
And I'm CP.
And today we're going to be looking at the Colibri Quasar cutter. This is a nice desktop cutter here. It's got some good weight to it. I'd say it's probably about, feels like it almost weighs probably about a pound. It seems like a nice construction there. This is actually
just under a kilo.
Kind of spoiler alert, this is actually my favorite cutter right now.
Okay.
I truly believe that this is giving me the best straight. I'm a straight cut guy, so I suppose with that being said, we should actually cut a cigar. So the nice thing about this, I suppose the pro of it, is that it has guards here. I know you just got the SV cutter, the handheld version, which is a straight and a V cut, and they both have guards as well.
They do, yes.
Which is nice, so you can kind of get that perfect cut all the time. So simply put a cigar in and chop. I mean, this thing is just like,
wow, that's perfect.
Every single time. I mean, I've never had an issue. And it's just awesome. Yeah, go for it. I know you're a V-cut guy.
Oh,
so
I am a V-cut guy. I used to be straight cut like Paul, but since I discovered a proper V-cut, and they're really hard to find that do it well, I'm a complete convert. But I'll only do it with a decent cutter because it's so easy to just mash the cap. And there we go. That's reasonable.
It's reasonable.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. So let me try a V-cut. See if it's just you or me.
I'm terrible at V-cuts, by the way.
There you go. Fine. That's perfect. So I mean, to be honest, for $125, I think this is great value cutter just because I always get just an absolutely perfect cut on the cigar. I mean, you can stand up on that. It's a little bit wonky, but it's great. The only one downside to it, I think, is the fact that it does fill up very, very quickly. So this isn't a commercial solution. I think this is a nice desktop solution for home use, you know, because I think this probably only holds about 10-15 caps, and although it has a nice kind of place here to remove the cigar debris, it is a bit finicky and you kind of have to be spinning it around. So you wouldn't want, I don't think you'd want this in a shop because you'd be unloading it every like 10-15 minutes. But for a home use, like 15 cigars, I mean, that could be anywhere from a week to a month's worth plus of cigar usage, so you're probably fine. It's got a nice rubber foot on it as well, which stops it from moving around, which is nice. So that's kind of the pros of it. The pros are fantastic cut, solid construction, and also has a nice kind of rubber foot to it, so it doesn't slide around. Kind of cons are it doesn't hold that many cigar ends. It's a little bit difficult to remove them once you do. The V cut wasn't straight perfect, but the straight cut is perfect, and it is $125, which is probably double what you may have seen for that the Scorpion tabletop cigar cutter, which we have reviewed in another video below. So it's a little pricey. It does come in a bunch of colors, so they have this silver version, a black version, a red version, and the nice thing is if you like this particular style, then they've carried that theme through into humidors,
the humidor is
ashtrays, even on the SV cutter and the rally lighter I have, they've got this kind of domed diamond, diamond shape as well, so which is really nice. You could start to create a collection. They even have the Quasar cutter now as well, so this cutter as well has just been introduced in a Quasar model, and it has like the diamond peaks as well. So
nice.
I actually I'm kind of one of those guys that once they get something they like to get you know, all of them in the series. So if you're a big Colibri guy and you have some of the Quasar line already, then this will definitely be a great introduction. It's super easy to use, has nice perfect cut guard on there for the straight cut, so I don't think you can go really wrong on this one. So we'll provide some links below on where to buy this on Amazon and some other places that may have better prices. But yeah, check out those links below. Also, please feel free to go to bespokeunit.com/cigars, where we cover a plethora of topics around cigars, not only how to cut them, how to light them, how to smoke them, as well as actual cigar reviews themselves, which is good. And
how to store them.
Oh yeah, well that's
probably the biggest thing right now.
We actually just spent the last week probably recording 30 videos on how to store cigars, so that's definitely a great resource, whether you're looking to store a small or large quantity of cigars, whether you're going to be doing tupperdoors, humidors, wooden humidors, sorry. We've got you covered, high, low pricing, everything. So please like this video if you found it helpful. Also comment below, as I may have already said, I can't remember at this point, and subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications. Anything else said, Charles-Philippe?
I think that covers it all.
Perfect. And with that being said, my name's Paul Anthony.
I'm CP.
And see you next time.
Take care.